Hi there, Doc Davis, orthopedic spine surgeon. Today I'm going to go over the 4 most important things when choosing a surgeon. Education. You want to make sure your surgeon has the skills to pay the bills. Just like in life, the more experience you have, the better you're equipped to solve a problem or understand your surroundings. I find it extremely important that a surgeon who's treating you has a wide range of educational experience in order to understand your problem and offer you the best available treatment option. Before you undergo any surgery, make sure your surgeon's gone to school. Just because they played operation as a kid doesn't make them a surgeon. Pro tip, do your due diligence. Make sure your surgeon specializes in their field. These wrinkles are worth something. An experienced surgeon is prepared to tackle the most complicated or challenging situation. The more experience your surgeon has, the more they've seen it all and done it all. The differences between an inexperienced surgeon and an experienced surgeon are similar to a pilot. One got their hours in a flight simulator. The experienced pilot got their hours doing tours of duty. Which surgeon would you feel more comfortable with? Is your surgeon excited and passionate about what they do? The last thing you want is a surgeon who's there just to work. You're looking for a surgeon who's better today than they were before. You want your surgeon to be enthusiastic and passionate about learning new techniques and being innovative. The most important aspect is that your surgeon's looking out for your best interest and committed to providing you with the best possible outcome. You need to feel comfortable with your surgeon, be listened to, and above all, you need to be given a diagnosis and an explanation for what your problem is and a pathway to try to help you. Most of the time when you go see a surgeon, you won't be recommended surgery. If it seems like you're being recommended surgery right away, get a second opinion. And most of the time, non-surgical treatment will be the best option for you to get you back on your feet in the nick of time. 4 factors important in selecting a surgeon include education, experience, enthusiasm, and commitment to you. If you like this content, like and subscribe or drop a comment below. This is Doc Davis, orthopedic spine surgeon.